Right. So number, so here persons. Okay. So now let me give you the numbers. Singular number, and then what is the second one?
Plural.
Very good. Plural. Plural. Right? Singular number and plural number. Right. If you want to draw this table on your notebook, you can draw, or otherwise you can watch the video in the YouTube. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Next. So the person divided into 3 persons, correct?
Yes, sir.
So here I'll give you the first person. First person, then second person, and then third person. Correct?
Third person.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Right. So if you want to draw this table, you can draw it on your notebook. Right. So now, so what is the first person singular? First person singular. I. Correct? First person plural. We. Right? So, second person singular. You. Second person plural. You. Third person singular. So there are the 3 third person singulars. So what are they? He,
He,
she,
it.
Right? Very good. There are 3 third person singulars. He, she, it.
Person.
Right. Now, so plural. They.
His.
They. Right? So first person singular, I, you, he, she, it. First person plural.
It.
We. Second person plural.
We.
You. Third person plural. They.
They.
Okay.
They.
So I is the first person singular. We is first person plural. You is second person singular. Same. You is second person plural. He, she, it. Third person singulars. They. Third person plural. Got the difference? Right. So now, try to give some helping verbs which can be used with first person singular and plural, second person singular and plural, third person singular and plural. So what kind of helping verbs can we use with different persons? Okay. So I don't have much space here. That's why I just had drawn the line. Okay. Don't get confused. Please.
Okay, sir.
All right. So what kind of helping verbs we can use with I? I am in the present tense, right? Past tense.
Yes.
I was.
Yes, sir.
Future tense.
I will.
Very good. I will.
I will.
Right? Next. Plural. We are.
Are.
Very
We
good.
are.
Very good. We are
Thank
in
you, sir.
present. We were. We were in past. Will in
Past.
future. Okay.
Future.
Next. Yes. You.
Okay, sir.
You
are.
are. Very good.
You.
Next. Past. You were.
You
Future.
will.
Very good.
You will.
You will.
You will.
Right? So for plural also you need to write down the same word. You are,
Okay, sir.
you were, and future
Sir.
you will.
You
Right.
were.
Right. So now he, she, it.
Yes, sir.
He, she, it. So here she is or he is or it is in present, past, was,
Past.
right?
Was.
Yes. In the future,
Yes, sir.
will,
Will.
right?
Will.
So is in the present,
Yes, sir.
was in past, will in the future. So now, plural, third person, plural.
Plural.
They are in the present. They were
They
in
were
the past.
in the past. They will in the future.
Very good. Right? So, are you all able to understand the difference between the first person singular and plural, the second person singular and plural, the third person singulars and plurals? Right? And you should be able to understand the difference between the helping verbs. What are the helping verbs we are using with person to person? So for first person singular, we are using different helping verbs, right? So we are using am, was, will for three different tenses. For first person singular, I. For first person plural, we are using different helping verbs. We are, we were, we will. All right. So for third person singulars, sorry, second person singular first. For second person singular, you are, you were, you will.
You will.
Right? For Second person plural, same way. You are, you were, you will in 3 different tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Right? For third person singulars. So here, if you observe, there are 3 third person singulars, correct? He, she, it. For third person singulars, in the present tense, you can use is. In the past tense, was. In the future tense, will. Okay. So for third person plural,
Will.
in the present tense, we use they are. In the past tense, we use they were. In the future tense, we use they will. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So what is the first person singular here? I. Correct? First person plural?
We.
We. Right? So second person singular? You.
You.
Second person plural?
You.
Same, you. Okay, third person singulars?
He, she, it.
Very good. He, she, it. Third person plurals?
They.
Very good. They. So now,
Huh?
so far we discussed be forms. Now let us talk about
Off చేసా.
do forms. Right? So in the present tense we use do forms. Do. In the past tense,
Did.
Very good. Did. Future, will do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Will do. Same. In the present tense. With now. Second person singular. What are the do forms? You do. You did in
You
past.
did.
In future.
You will do.
Very good. You'll do. The same way. In present tense, you do.
Do.
Past tense, you did.
You did.
You
Future,
did.
You will do.
do.
very good. In future, you will do. Next, for third person singular, in present tense, does. Okay.
Does.
He does.
Yes, in past tense, did. In future,
He did.
Will.
will
Will do.
do.
He will
Right? In future, will do.
do.
Right. So he does in present tense. She did in past tense. She will do in future. Right? Similarly, third person plural. They do.
They did.
Very good. They did.
They will do.
They will do.
Yes, they'll do. Right? So this is about two forms. So just now we discussed be forms, and now we have completed two forms. And now let us talk about how forms also. Now what we are talking about? Have forms. Okay. So I have. Right? Next, in the past tense, I had. Okay. In the future tense,
Will have.
very good. Will have.
Have.
Right. So in the future tense, will have. The same way, we have. Next,
We had.
very good. We had. Next,
We will
We
have.
will
very good. We will have.
have.
Okay. Same way, you.
Have.
You have.
You have.
You
You
did.
had.
Very good. You had. Next,
You will have.
You will
very
have.
good. You will have. Very good. Next, you. Same way.
You have.
You
Have.
have.
You had.
Very good. You had.
You
Next,
will have.
You will have.
very good. You will have.
Have.
Okay. The same way, for third person singular, we need to keep in mind a small difference. So here, he has. Right? In the past tense, as usual,
He had.
Had.
had. Future,
Will have. Will
very
have.
good. Will have.
Have.
Right? So in the future, will have. Right. Then, third person
They
plural.
have.
Very good.
They have.
Have.
They had.
They had.
They had.
They will have.
Very good. They'll
They
have.
will have.
Right? So this is the way how you're supposed to understand how these are changing from person to person. For example, if you observe here, for first person singular, do, did, will do. Right? In the present tense, past tense, and future tense. For we, first person plural, we, do, did, will do. Okay. So, with have forms, have, had, will have. Have, had, will have.
Will have.
Right? So same. Singular and plural, similar almost. For second person singular and plural, same. Do, did, will do. Do, did, will do. Second person singular and plural. Same way, have forms.
Have.
Have, had,
Had.
will have.
Will have.
Will have.
Next, plural.
Have.
Have,
Have. Had. Will have.
will have. Right? So same. Singular and plural for second person singular and plural also. Right? So now we need to keep in mind only one concept, that is nothing but third person singulars. Whenever you are talking about third person singulars, you need to keep in mind the differences or the changes. So what are the changes are there? Does.
Does.
But in all other conditions,
Has.
do.
Do.
I do, we do, you do. But he does. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
with how or how forms. With how forms. I have, we have, you have. Right? But third person singular. He has, she has, it has. So another difference. Okay. So you need to keep in mind only one particular point, that is third person singular. That to present tense. Rest of the all conditions same. He did. Next, will do. He had, will have. Right? So only third person singular is different, but rest of the all conditions same. So first person singular, I did, plural, we did. Second person singular and plural, you did. Third person singular and plural, he, she, it, they did. Okay. No difference for third person plural also. But we need to keep in mind only one aspect, that is third person singular with do form. He does and has form. Sorry, have form. He has. Right? So this is the only difference you need to keep in mind whenever you are talking about third person singulars in present tense. Is it clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Right.